Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube coming to you with another little creation for you to maybe try. This is a 40 by 50 canvas and I'm going to try and keep my colours minimal on this, and I'm going to try a different composition. Again, I've been trying different compositions on the canvas. So this is another sort of one that I'm going to try. Now this lovely colour is called Haze. This is a global colour and I've really want to see what I can do with this. So the actual composition is going to be sort of leaving my ends, my naughty dogs. Oops. It doesn't have to be perfect. Or it's just that my excuse for knowing that it's not perfect. But no, it doesn't have to be perfect. But if you're pedantic or suffer from what is it when you have to have everything just right? I can't think of the name of it. Oh, it's gone. I'm suffering. I can't think of the name. Where you have to have things just right, otherwise they do your head in. I'm certainly not like that. I like things off center. I like things mixed up. So I certainly don't suffer that. But tell me, people, what is the name I'm trying to think of when you have to have things just so? Or there was a movie with that actor, and I'll tell you, I've got the fuzzballs in my head. Fuzzballs. So that was the lovely Haze, and now I'm using, which is already made up, the Dark Sea. You think, yuck. This is a gorgeous turquoisey teal, but very dark. So I'm going to go that on the corners. Oops, she said. Actually, I've had this paint pre-made up for a number of weeks. I mean, as long as you keep it in covered airtight container, it could last for quite a while. But this looks a bit sparkling, as though I may have added a bit of the dragonfly glaze in the paint when I mixed it. But because I've done it a while ago, I can't remember. Obsessive compulsive, that's it. Obsessive OCD. That's what I was trying to think of. I know it always comes to me later, just never at the time that I need it. So there you go, obsessive compulsive. Let's see what I can do with this. I'm hoping I'll jazz this up a bit, hey. Not too worried about the very edges because I'm hoping to blow some of that out. I think I might just go in a little bit further with that. Whoop. So yeah, it's quite good to try different compositions and see, you know, what you like or what looks good. So I have got this metallic gold pre-made up. Ugh, my hands are sticking to the side, so I'm going to just put, I just want that to actually blow through that blue, that dark sea, should I say. More of a teal than anything else. And I want to put a bit of my metallic copper in there too. Rightio. And what colour should I blow into that? Maybe some of my Berry Delicious, which I've just got a teeny tiny bit, which is custom colour I make up, and it's the Oh, maybe I should leave that till after. Yeah, maybe I should. I make it up out of dark red, phthalo blue and a blob of black. And it comes like a black cherry. So I'm going to not add that one just yet. I'll see if I can do it like this. I'm going to... I've gone way ahead of myself because what I should have actually done is blown the colours that I want going in first, then added the end ones. But as usual, I've got things A over T and I've done it exactly how I didn't want to do it. But there you go, it's done. So let's give this a go. I'm going to just blow out over the deep sea. Beautiful. Gorgeous, actually. Let me do a bit of this, a bit of this, and a bit of that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Let me think. Do I want a bit more of that gold in with this? Make it sparkle. I hope this comes out all right. You just try your best, and if it does, it does, and it doesn't, it doesn't. There you go. That's easy peasy. Let's see. Rightio. I might. Wow. Well, that's a little bit different than anything I've done before. That's interesting composition. Are the colours a goer or a noer? I think they're all right. I think give it a little hit with my heat one. Wow, that's actually really lovely. That's such a rich colour, that deep sea or dark sea. I just love pushing the colour boundaries. And I mean, I think that's really lovely. I mean, you may like it, you may not, and that's it. It's your rules, your way. I'm just going to do some tiny little balloon embellishments. It won't even look like a balloon. Just every now and again to just add some gilliness in there. You don't have to do it if you're giving this a go. You do your thing, whatever your thing is, and I'm certainly going to do mine. So I know that when the piece is dry, my little balloon embellishments, it's just then screams me. So one of my most favourite things in the world. Oh, I love it. I really, really love it. It's a bit of chunky paint there. So you can either suck that out with a syringe, because if it's too much paint, it can have every opportunity then to crack a little bit when it dries. But it's really nothing that you can't fix with an embellishment or something even after. That's gorgeous. I'm excited. Oh, I hope you guys like it. That's a really exciting embellishment. You do not need anything in there. That's my bit of negative space. Like I say, you could blow a few more wisps out. You could do just a gentle wispiness out with your skewery thing. But I mean, it's not necessary, as I keep getting told. You don't have to fill up negative space. But that's me, forever the optimist. Doesn't like negative space in life and negative space in my art. But I don't know. I love that. I really, really hope you love that too. The colours are just, I don't know, there's just something really rich and beautiful about it. Oh, I hope you like it as much as I do. I am super excited about that one. So let the drying gods be with me, and it dry beautifully. Look out for the photos at the end. So happy you joined me, guys. Thank you so much. Until tomorrow, please join me. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it just helps me out. And please watch my videos. Very thankful for you all, always. Very appreciative. Bye for now.